Alright, here we have a Mack low entry Terra Pro, sometimes referred to as a LEU. And this has a Heil Half pack. It's set up as a dual drive. From what I can gather, it kind of looks like it used to have a Curotto-Can on it. There's still some plugs on the arms up there. And of course it's obviously set up for residential because it's got the support bars there to hold the arms up. Inside the cab, pretty typical LEU setup. Has a standard Mac radio CD player. There's a Ray view camera system. Didn't look around in it too much, but I noticed that there is a blind spot camera on the traditional driver's side or left side of the truck. There's also a rear vision camera. This truck comes equipped with a pair of fans, a nice small control box for the Packer body, and I believe this may have been part of the old Curotto-Can system that may have been on this truck. Looks like it has like an auto lift feature from the right side drive. There's a nice set of mirrors on this. You've got double spot mirrors on both sides, one above and below the mirror. Same over here. Makes visibility really, really nice. This truck has a good old Mack MP7 engine. As you can see, it's a 32 yard. Another handy thing, this truck has a battery disconnect switch. Pretty good tread on the tires, a nice tag axle back here if you're in one of those places where weight limits can get you in trouble pretty easily. I'm thinking of places like north. I know Michigan's got some pretty strict weight laws up there, but you might need another tag axle for Michigan. We all know their trucks look like centipedes. Now on the back here, that's the rear vision camera that I was referring to. And all the way down there, that's the blind spot camera for when you're in right side drive. Very handy to have that. big thanks to Trucks and Parts for letting me make this video. Check them out at trucks.com. They got a YouTube channel too. Probably put that link at the end of the video. Oh yeah, it's a quick demo for anybody who wants to know how to work one of these doors on a Mack LE. Pops open. The bottom here actually folds up. And when it folds up and locks, see there's a little place here, kind of locks into, you know, like a little buffer piece, and then it locks right in here. And you just unlatch the door handle to release it, and up here you'll see that this little metal piece actually hooks into that. So, and then when you want to disconnect it, there's a pull cord, and then the jaws open up, and then pull this handle, and the bottom releases. I went ahead and just let it back down, and it just hangs freely. And here we have the right side drive. Another control for the forks and arms over here. On some of the other dual drive trucks, I've referred to a work brake. This would be your work brake. As you see, it's kind of to the right of the steering wheel, nice easy place to grab. It's not designed to be a parking brake. It's just one of these things where you stop the truck, you got to hop out and dump a can real quick. You grab the hold, move it into the applied position, and it's kind of like just holding your foot on the brake for you. That way you can hop out, do your thing, jump back in, release it, and go. And it's designed to limit wear and tear on the braking system, if used properly.